What's up guys, welcome back to another episode. Today is contest day. I am super excited. I've been surfing a lot, kinda as training and as not, so I'm really excited to see what's going on. I heard my wife say something, and I'm gonna try and apply it to this contest. I'm going in with no expectations. I'm just gonna go out and do my best, have fun, and try catch as much waves as possible. Let's see where this takes us. I might very well carry you guys out there in the heat. So might be up for a treat. Anyhow, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, the works. We go. Alright guys, so our set just came through. It's looking sick. Couple of the surfers being the noble spirits and positive warriors. They are picking up some plastic and thing before the contest. I'm gonna join them. You know, got my glove on. But yeah, it's looking like we're gonna have a good contest. So big up. Hi guys, so the beach is clean, the judges podium is set up, people are out. We look like we're going to have a good day. Let's see, the waves are coming through. They're like shoulder high. What is it, chest high?
I need to waste the time.
Need to waste the time. You know, but yeah, so I think I'm gonna go warm up. You're a smart decision over here. Take home the contest. Yeew! Patrick! You have it? Right when I have it. Like, yeah, man.
Let's see.
All the best, bro. Just go out there and catch enough wave.
Thank you, brother.
Like
Thank
what
you.
we've been doing at runways and lightouts and all these spots. Good luck, man.
Cool. Thank you.
But yeah, so I just like paddled. I just lost my heat. Did as best as I could. I didn't carry out the GoPro because I was focusing on trying to go through. I caught like 7 waves, which was higher than most of the people in the rest of the heat. So I got closer. I got a 4 and a 3, which is a weak and an average wave. But I want to get to that place where I'm getting good waves. Woo! Yeah! 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 Yeah, I had to check myself a while ago. Disappointed, but like I went out fighting, and that's probably the biggest part. Like for me, I left every ounce out there in the water. I feel a little drained because of it, because I was saying I've been surfing hard for the last month. Oh, look at this wave. Woo! Yeah, man. Yeew! Daniel! I'm here! Marcus! Yeah, so I felt a little emotional about how I caught that wave. I was just trying to do my best, and I left the heat like knowing that I gave my best, and that's probably the hardest part, because I wish I got it, like got through the heat. That was what I would love, but I kind of went out there saying if that happens, that's great. If that doesn't happen, that's great. So, you know, yeah, just a little proud. Anyhow, yeah.
To go to first place. I wonder if this could be it. Ah, lovely wall on it, and this is Ellen. And she's up and riding. Oh, nice stop there. Goes for the cutback and he's twirling. And she's going for the inside section. Alright.
From the channel, that was LM's best heat wave. Just keep doing your best, man. Like everybody should rip. Yeah, man. Good luck, bro. Get him.
Well, there's no luck.
Just go out there and do your best.
Go out there and do it.
Yeah, bro.
And I tried to do it here on my first wave. Hope I catch it.
Ah, sick. So I'm out there with Ika. He's the final winner of the, this is NOS what?
1.
NOS 1, the National Open Series surf event for event number 1 for Jamaica 2022.
Yeah.
Ika, how was that?
Was good. Good guy. Everybody was ripping today. I had to really, you know, turn up the game and surf my best. I managed to get a couple good ones and edge out everybody else barely, but you know, Akeem was surfing solid and Iva ripping and Ronald was surfing good. It was a really close final.
It was tight.
And yeah, I have to big up everybody, you know, everybody who come out and support, and all the surfers ripping.
Yeah, man. Well, I got some good footage of you guys in the water, not on my board, you know, like, so like this looks like a wicked episode. Thank you for the interview, bro.
Yeah, man.
You see me? And just keep it up. Whenever we're having these events, I'm probably gonna vlog it again. So
well, I'm probably gonna be surfing it. hopefully I'll be winning it again.
Hopefully I join you.
If I can keep up my A game, and
hopefully I join you. Today I was trying to get near that, but you know, like, you can't win them all.
Not every day is Christmas.
Exactly. You know, like.
But every day you learn.
Yeah, so
even the bad heat, you can learn, work on your strategy, work on your approach, how you surfing. A lot of it is mental too, like your mind focus on doing the heat. So like, no matter what, it's always good to go out there and, you know, if you like competing, just do it as much as you can.
Definitely.
And I like competing.
Yeah.
Don't know.
Big up, man. Yeah, man. The waves are still sweet, so I'm gonna catch one more. I'm probably not gonna vlog it, so anyhow, like, subscribe, comment, share, the works. I hope you like this. I hope you had a good episode. And don't forget to send it to someone who you think might enjoy it. So, big up. Yeah, going back out.
Tomorrow. Going back out town.
Conditions are perfect.
So,
out there. Without fear.
Caught a couple.
Alright, somebody kill the mosquito.
So
Buzz fear.
What's up, guys?